Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 KTM 500 XC500FW. Beautiful condition, only 44 hours. It's got a really awesome FMF pipe and a service hand guards. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, electric start, liquid cooled. Come on by, make your open class green sticker trail bike dreams come true for just $89.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.